The way I look is the way I feel about this box. Just saying. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. And here I have my 20-year-old daughter sitting next to me. Yesterday was her birthday. I don't know what I'm gonna hopefully get this filmed. No wait, edited, uploaded. I'm running on 3 hours of sleep. I'm redoing the kids' bathroom, and
it looks amazing.
That is why my face looks like this. Hashtag exhaustion.
Did you stay up all night doing that?
No, I stayed up all night because the man snored.
Kick him out.
No, I was being nice because today's Father's Day.
Oh, yes. Whoever commented that I should buy a lottery ticket yesterday, I bought two. I bought one that was number 20 and another one that had the number 20 on it. I lost on both of them.
Oh, but, that would have been so cool.
Yeah, that would have been cool. But, you know, it's all good.
Yeah.
So, now let's get into the Ipsy video.
Anyways, today's video we are going to be unboxing our Ipsy Glam bag, which if you guys already followed me, I have already unboxed this and you all already know my thoughts, but this is when we put them up against each other. Yeah.
You know you have an extra addiction when.
Is that did you add on in that too? Oh. So a little bit about Ipsy Glambag Plus. This is $25 plus tax a month. It is profile based. I lie on my profile. I say that I am like mid-20s. I don't think that saved me in this box, and we like to put them up against each other and see who got the better box at the end of the day. I'm gonna let Haley start because she did a bunch of add-ons.
Yes, and also if you hear any dog crying in the background, it's because I was just playing out back with my dog because I brought her over today and she's sad that I am not filming with my mom. Her grandma, man.
I know, I'm so annoyed. We get a card, but we don't get any information about what's in here.
This was an add-on. This was an add-on. No. This was an add-on.
I love these things.
This was an add-on.
While she's finding her add-ons, this is from Gerard Cosmetics, guys. It's all of like a few dollars maybe. And a Hotmess 10 saves you 10% on everything at Gerard Cosmetics, not sponsored. Is this not precious?
Chapstick?
Yeah, I just used the heck out of them. Anyways.
And those would be easy to find in like a purse or something.
Yeah, and they're really cute, like gifts, stocking stuffers, whatever. I'm 42 and I love them. Oh, okay.
So my first add-on is this little Lexi brush. It's a Profusion tapered brush, so you can use it for like under the eye, wiping off the pad, or highlighting, I don't know, bronzer if you wanted to. Yeah, it was like $3, so I got that. I also got the Meili Like a Pro blending sponge, and it came in this cute little bag, which is so like cute so you don't get your sponge all dirty. Basically it's just a pink sponge. It's set closed right now, so I'm not gonna open it. And I got this Saturn Sulfur Acne Treatment Mask by Sunday Riley, and then I also got the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water.
I've always wondered about that.
I love face spray, so you know. And then this, because I'm in cosmetology school, I'm getting way into hair. You wouldn't be able to tell today because I did nothing to my hair, and then I took a nap outside, so before it started raining.
They don't know it's raining.
Oh, it's not raining now. It was though. Anyways, it is this Playa New Day Mist 3-in-1 Style Refresh. It soothes creases and restores style, and you spray in your hair.
That's cool. I've never heard of that before.
Yeah, it's really cool. I think. I don't know. Seemed cool online, and I was like, oh, I want that. I don't have any hair mists.
So ignore, like I said, I'm literally just finished painting and putting the bathroom back together. So I'm a hot doggone mess. So getting right into the box, do you want to start off?
No, you can start.
Okay, so like I said, we get a card, and we used to, on the cards, get information, yeah, about each item in our box, how much it retails for, a little tidbit about it. They stopped doing that. So, and they also downsized the size of the bags in these boxes. They used to be a little bit larger. This is about the size, yeah, or it is the actual size.
It's just different colors. So this was Mom's regular Ipsy.
Yeah. I mean, it's still cute. It's just I feel like when it comes to this box, from when they first started the Ipsy Glambag to now, they're just not as amazing as they used to be. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I don't like these. These are liquid eyeliners. I'm just not a fan. I go in, I do the review, I email, I tell them stop it. I keep getting them. So this is the Araceli Perfection Liquid Eyeliner. I didn't open it because I'm giving it to you.
Oh, thanks.
That's what happens with all of my liquid liners. They either go in giveaways, donated to Haley, wherever, and I'm like over it, you know, because you only get 5 full-size items in here, which is still good for $25, but like...
It would be better if it was 5 full-size products that you would use.
Which I get. I tell you guys all the time, it's a subscription. I gotta keep an open mind. I'm not gonna probably like everything in here, and today would be that. So, there's more. And I'm a little moody, so I'm gonna be harsh. Sorry, go ahead. I'm talking a lot.
It's fine. So my first item is the Huda Beauty Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator, and it's just like a little black beauty sponge. So yeah, exciting things. It's really squishy.
Is it? Yeah. You know what? It feels like the Shop Miss A sponge that they have.
I love
not
that
the pink
sponge.
one.
The AOA?
Not the pink one. Yeah, the AOA, I don't know, but it's more like of a hard. Okay, so my next item is the Ciate London Marbled Metals, and I'm thinking, no, it's like a Wicked, it's in the shade Wicked, and it's a glitter eyeshadow. I think maybe I picked this one without remembering.
Oh, that's funky.
Yeah, I'll show
It's
you
like all
guys.
speckly.
Is it time?
We're gonna take a brief intermission really quick because my little brother has to go to work.
Yes. We'll be with you momentarily. Okay. Okay, we're back. Still makeup free. Okay, so back to this little Ciate London thing. It's kind of like the
Punch
hourglass.
myself in the face. It's really cool.
Yeah. It's like a grapey purple.
The sparkles don't pop up like that?
Dumb. Ciate London's actually having a big sale on their website. I don't know if it's still going on. Not mad about it, but like, whatevs. Alright, you're up.
My next item is a little bust at the house. It's this Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Pores No More Luminizing Primer. Looking like this. I know, I saw my Ipsy thing. Like, I saw what was in it today on the app, and I was like, that's when I texted you Ipsy's question mark to see if they had come in, because I was like, I want this stuff now. Like,
yeah, you got nice stuff. So my next item, and I actually had picked this up as like a $3 add-on. It's by Hey Honey. Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. I actually like this. I used the little $3 doohickey, and it doesn't pull like painfully. It's like a gentle whatever, not take some skin from you, you know. So really like that, so I was excited about that. And it's,
I got it too.
It's kind of an expensive product, I think.
I feel like everything I got in my box is
yeah,
kind of,
you bougie. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so my next item is this Laura Geller Urban Garden Central Park face, eye, and cheek palette. Just looks like that.
Ipsy, you did me dirty. That's all I have to say.
This?
No, I really thank you, but like I have a lot of stuff.
I mean, so do I.
I just want it in. I want it in here in the box. You know what I'm saying? By the way, shout out to my Patreons, because all Patreon donations, whether it is a one-time donation or a repeated donation, I always put right back into the channel to get things to unbox for you guys, review for you guys, what have you. So thank you to our Patreons for your donations. So my next item is by Gigi Gorgeous, and again, if you guys saw my first unboxing, this had me 10 times a freaked out. It's really cute. It's like a blush duo. However, it looks like it was swatched.
Did you email?
No.
Their stuff's really good. The Gigi stuff. I use the bronzer almost every day.
I like the bronzer. And actually, I read some of the comments from my unboxing when I did this unboxing. And you guys said that you have actually gotten some of the items in your Ipsy that has been swatched. So I've not touched it.
Like the GG Gorgeous brand or any all
Just
brands?
Products in general. And
that's not good. I gotta recheck that eyeshadow palette now.
And like I told you guys when I did my original unboxing, the box wasn't busted, and so I kept telling myself it was moisture and I was just gonna roll with that. But then when I saw in the comment section, some of you guys were like, oh yeah, I've gotten some swatched items from Ipsy before. I was like, so I haven't opened it or touched it, used it, what have you.
Mine looks okay.
So yeah, I did an up close. When Haley and I film together, it's really hard to do up close because camera never wants to like focus correctly. It wants to keep, you know, focusing on my gorgeous daughter. So just watch my one unboxing that I did and you guys will see what I'm talking about. What's your next item?
This is my last item because we got the same item and then you let me go after you. So this is the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara.
Hi! Who got the better box?
Me!
Totally. That's like really good mascara.
Really?
I like their mascara.
Well, I'm about to finish like my second this is my second time finishing one of the Thrive Cosmetics.
I'm wondering, the Thrive Cosmetics, I know you like this liquid lash extension. Is there one that has like fibers in it? Because this is the, unless I use this.
I don't like it when it's brand new. I like to, like a week after you open it.
It just is like, it just makes my lashes, it doesn't make them voluminous, it just lengthens them, which is nice.
Yeah.
But I do.
Sometimes if I want them voluminous and length, I'll do that one and then a voluminous over top.
Yeah, like
But
I'll
with
use
that L'Oreal Lash Primer.
No.
No.
Not on me.
L'Oreal Lash Primer, then that one, then like a volume one on top.
I mix the Wonder Beauty Mile High sometimes with it and I can get better results because this like thickens my lashes, the Wonder Beauty, and then this lengthens, so. But I just feel like I have to do too much work with the Thrive. Okay, so my last item, my brain is shutting down, folks, is Good and Doc AC Control Blemish Spot Treatment. It's a K-Beauty brand, and it's a full size. I haven't tried it yet. I don't know how much it retails for or anything, but that's the last item in my box. And my overall thoughts was,
I win.
Haley 100% wins. Like I tell you guys, and I know I already said it, but like I'm gonna say it again because like that's what I do. I know not every subscription you're gonna enjoy everything in here, but I like when I like at least like 4 out of the 5 things. You know, this really is all I really like. The GG Gorgeous is really pretty, the duo, but it looks swatched, so maybe I just like spray some alcohol on top of it or something. I don't know, it just kind of wigs me out. But I mean, this is cute, but not really my color, so I don't know. I just feel like this box was a complete
Really?
dud.
I think you look nice in purple.
Thanks. This is like a reddish purple. I like cool tone blue purples. You know what I mean? Like this is a warmy purple, but I don't know, your box rocked. Like hands down.
I loved my box. Like it was really great. Like primer, I'm almost out of one of my favorite primers. Beauty sponge. I needed a new beauty sponge, which is why I added this add-on. And then the masks. You know, you can never go wrong with masks. This I could have lived without this because I have so much eyeshadow. But like, you know, it'd be good
pretty
for little
though.
and travel, and it is really pretty. And mascara. I'm trying to test out new mascaras. But the Thrive one, what I love about that one so much is once you're ready to take it off, you know, you get it wet and it comes off in tubes.
Yeah, that wigs me out.
It's so cool because it's not like raccoon face. You know?
I just use my Clinique Take the Day Off balm thing. It's like
just get my face wet. And then I just kind of like, and then I dry it, and then I use my spin brush, and then I dry it, then I moisturize.
No. Yeah, Haley won. That's it. That's all there is to it. Like, I don't even know. I don't feel like Ipsy even followed a profile. I think they were like, hey,
this is what we have left. Here you go.
Have fun, Rhonda. Thanks for the 25 bucks. We're not trying this month. I'm really sassy and grumpy, but whatever. Anyways, there are still 3 giveaways going on. I will have them all linked in the comment section down below for you guys. 2 of them are YouTube videos that you have to actually go to the YouTube video and enter into those videos. And then the other one is you click it and it'll take you to Instagram, and it's a specific post that you have to enter in, tag a friend, make sure you're following me and you're subscribed to the channel, all of that stuff. Like I said, shout out and thank you again to my Patreons for your donations, for getting for me being able to purchase this Ipsy. I'm struggling. My brain is like, you're tired, girl, go take a nap. So that's what I'm gonna do. Anywho, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and until next time, hope you
have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye!